Before we film our next power tool test video, I thought we would talk about eye protection. You need to protect your eyes while you're using power tools. So I got the two Ryobi safety glasses. I got the clear one here and the tinted one. Both of them are 99.9% UV protection, anti-fogging, and impact resistance. Their frame are flexible. They have some nice flexible nose pad too to be comfortable. And of course they have the nice Ryobi color on the side. They fit very good, they're comfortable. Now if you're working inside the shop, you might want the clear one. And if you're working outside doing yard project or chainsaw, you might want to be wearing the dark one. Alright, we'll see you soon in the next test video.